Bought a striker. Got no title. I guess it's a striker.
Damn, my nigga Glock made this shit.
So yeah, today I'm getting off my phone. 2019 Scat Pack.
Your watch item is next on the block.
2019 Scat Pack. Let's see. Let's stay under 7,000.
Bonus time.
I knew he was gonna do that play at the end. So I'm gonna play with him as well. Let's stay on the 7,000. Hopefully, take a flip.
Sold on approval.
I just won. Well, it's sold on approval, so that usually means they gotta basically approve my winning bid just to win. So let's see. All right, guys. So here's a little update. It's only been a couple minutes now, but the seller minimum is 32,000. I got the bid at 64. I could counter bid, but we're way too far off, so most likely I'm not gonna get the car. But this would have been a great purchase. Would have been an easy, hopefully 10, no, probably I would say like 15,000. I would have got it fixed up depending on like how much damage it was. Wasn't too bad. Looked like it needed a front bumper. It needed airbags, a driver's seat. No airbag inside, just the driver's seat. Driver's seat looked like it exploded right there and up the top. And needed a fender, back window, 2 doors. I already had the 2 doors. I think I had this fender. I believe I do have this fender already. Bumper is not too hard to find, so yeah. We got 3 minutes left, so let's say hopefully I win this. It's a Jeep SRT, as you can see. Very light damage, 2 doors, fender. Probably need a spinner. That's pretty much it for real, for real. Fender need light body work. Car just dirty as hell. Hopefully I'll win it. Hopefully it runs and drives as well, so 2 minutes left, coming up big. If y'all haven't tuned in yet, go tune into my YouTube channel, man. Get me to 25K subscribers. I'm currently at 10.2. At 25K subscriber, I'm giving away a free car if y'all haven't tuned in yet. That's the giveaway car I'm giving out, so give y'all a little look at the car. Just the giveaway car, 2014 Charger RT. So yeah, if y'all haven't tuned in, man, tune in for that giveaway. That's one crazy giveaway. But yeah, currently 2 minutes left, so hopefully I get this car. And it's one of my top hits on YouTube right now is my Copart Durango video. Let me show y'all that. 286,000. Appreciate y'all for that. So I guess y'all loving this Copart content where I'm getting like buying cheap cars and rebuilding it back to life. If y'all haven't seen the update on that, I did update it. Took long. It did take longer than I expected. So yeah, if you haven't tuned in, man, go tune in. It's that Copart Durango right there. So go tune in. Currently we got 1 minute left. So right after this bid, I'm going next. I got a max bid set at 12,000 right now. Right here, y'all pray for me. Wow, I won. Yo, just like that, I won. Yo, I just won that for 10,300. 10,300. Let's go. Let's get it. I just won that jump without doing nothing. I set a minimum bid. Look. Bang. Hey, yo. I wanted. I didn't even get to my max bid. I wanted at 10.3. Let's get it, yo. I'm so hyped. So now, I'll rebuild this and fix up that Durango. Most likely, that's getting sold. And stay for tuning in. Like I said, man, I'm doing this for y'all. I'm showing y'all content. So make sure y'all tune into my channel right there. Like, comment, and subscribe. Only way I'm pushing out that much content. Y'all don't tune in, y'all not getting this content. This is free game. I'm showing y'all how to bid and how to really make money for free. So if y'all like that content, leave a comment down below and I'm gonna go pick up the car. As y'all just seen, I won the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT for that price. I can't believe it, y'all. Still hyped on that. But look, y'all, earlier I showed y'all that this car minimum like release bid was $32,000. Look what they lowered it to. 10.9. I'm still not gonna accept that yet, so I kept my current bid, so I didn't want to go up more. I may up it. Let's see how it goes on later on today. I may up it to like 7,000. This will still basically be a good profit margin. So yeah, man. Like I said, if y'all want to tune in, man, subscribe to that channel. And like I said, I'm giving y'all free game, bro. Why would y'all not want to subscribe for free to make free money, bro? I'm giving y'all free game. And y'all obviously see my content, bro. I'm showing y'all everything. The prices I bought it for. Bro, where's that at? Prices I bought it for. Everything, bro. This is not cat. Like, I'm showing y'all this live. So make sure y'all tune in, man. And that's really all I gotta say. If y'all don't tune in, then y'all missing out. So y'all, it's the next day. I did tell y'all we was gonna pick up the car yesterday, but you know, stuff happened. They didn't have no appointments to pick it up, and we are having a little technical difficulties on paying for the SRT just because I guess I never made a purchase that high. Yeah, so we on the way to Copart now. We've been on the road for about an hour, with 35 minutes left. Yeah, we're on the way now, so appointment's at 11:30. We're gonna get there a little earlier just because, like I said, we was having technical difficulties about paying. So I'm trying to get there earlier so I can try to pay for it before my appointment comes. Worst kind of worse, I might have to go to the bank and just go get a check if that's the case. So that's the reason why I'm trying to go there early. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you when we get there.
A few moments later.
Just pulling up at Copart. Obviously, y'all seen this a million times. Like today, I don't think it's busy. So yeah. Oh fuck, it is busy. It's busy as hell. Busy. God damn. So y'all, my request just came to walk to the office. So I'm walking to the office. Wish me luck, y'all, because I'm trying to pay, and let's see how that goes. It'll take me a little minute to walk there. Gotta get my exercise in anyway, so be there shortly. Second gen charger right there in the way. Chrysler 300 over there. Gee, I see if that helps. Oh god damn, look at that Maybach. That's 580. Big boy. The Hellcat not there anymore. This is why all that traffic earlier. Kind of like a moped. Man, I was gonna get one of these. I need one. I got one. Oh, the Hellcat's still there. Hellcat's still there, y'all. So I'm gonna look that up. I'm gonna go check that out. Walking in, put you in my pocket. That's the rough. At the bank now, so just processed. They just lifted my account. I just made the payment online. So everything is clear. We're good to go. Better get out of here in like a few minutes. He's finishing up, printing out some papers for me to take. So yeah, so better get out of here. Better go back to us. Better get out of here. Better go back to Copart and pick up the car. So wish me luck. It won't have to wait.
How the fuck you broke? Try go fuck a hoe, go take a risk. I get in that more, you ain't talking about a bag, then close your lips. Yeah, if I don't want.
So yeah, we just left Copart. We're on the way to the garage now. I have been driving for a little bit now, so we only got 40 minutes left to the garage. Still trying to think, what should I do to unload the car? Should I just leave it on the trailer for now? Just cause, you know, obviously it need a control arm so the car can move. But should I just, leave it on the trailer or just drop it till I fix it? But it sucks if I gotta come move a car or something. So that'll be in the way a little bit, but I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out and see what happens. Yes, I got a couple cars in there right now. I'm gonna pull a car or two out just to put the whole trailer, and I'm gonna leave the trailer in there until, you know, I figure everything else out. I gotta get a control arm, axle. Welcome to the Mother Boy content. Are you good? So y'all, just as you can see, we made it to the garage. Got it safe in there. We're really packed, as you can see. We made it work though, but so we got the car in the garage. I'm about to start the tear down, but that's gonna wrap it up for this video here. So make sure y'all stay ready for part 2, man. I'm dropping part 2 very soon, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
How the fuck you broke? Try go fuck a hoe, go take a risk. I get in that more, you ain't talking about a bag, then close your lips.